Hey, so part of you guys' uh, choice board for planets is to create a quiz. I know some of you aren't super sure on how to use Microsoft Forms, so this is just to kind of show you how to create a form or your quiz in there, and then also how to upload it when you turn in your assignment. So, first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to cobbk12.org so that you can get to Office 365, okay? Or if you have a school computer, you will have Office 365 on your dashboard. You can use that. Once you have done that, you're going to click Login and Office 365 Login. And because mine's slow sometimes, I went ahead and opened it in another tab because I didn't want you to have to wait. So I'm going to show you my open tab. And over here, they've changed the lookout, the way it looks a little bit, so it's a little bit easier for me to click on these dots. And I find Forms, okay? So again, that was Cobb County School District. Then I went to Login, Office 365, and then I clicked Forms out of my choices, which also looks like this, okay? So once I'm in Forms, what I'm going to do is for what we are doing for making a quiz, there's two choices. I can make a form, and if I make a form, that's just to collect information. That's how I make y'all's bell ringers. It doesn't give me the option to have a correct or incorrect answer. When I make a quiz, I would rather be able to show that I know the correct answer by having it grade it for me. So I'm going to choose to create a quiz. And I'm going to call this my Planet Practice Quiz. And what you're going to do is you can enter a description. You can say, choice board quiz made by Mrs. Adams, or whatever you want to call it, okay? You have the option to add pictures if you wanted to. So I could come over here and look up planets and find a picture, and it'll think for a minute, and it'll give me pictures, okay? So that's just one more thing. I'm just going to click the very first one I see and add that one. Add. So that's an option if you just want to kind of like make it look a little cuter, okay? So add new. You can make a choice. You're probably not going to care about the rating or the date option for this particular quiz, but choice is multiple choice. Text means you have to type an answer in. You can choose this, but for me it's a little bit more difficult because if you put a correct answer in, you have to put the exact right words and the correct spelling, or else you have to go through and read through. So for this, I'm going to choose to make a multiple choice. And I'm going to do my first question. What planet is closest to the sun? Question mark. And I'm going to put down my options, and I'm going to say Jupiter. I'm going to say Pluto. And you'll notice it starts giving me options underneath that it thinks go along with what I'm talking about. I'm going to say Mercury, and I'm going to say Earth. And we all hopefully know the correct answer is Mercury. So the way that I do that is see this little check mark? I click on that, and that shows me that you knew it was the correct answer, and it's also going to allow it to grade it if someone were to take it. So here it says points. How many points do I want to give you for getting that answer right? I was going to give you 1. And finally, you want to make it required. I want to make sure that you have to answer that question. So I'm going to add new. That means I'm going to the next one. Again, I can change it up. I'm going to stick with multiple choice for this. Multiple choice question. What planet do we live on? Hopefully nobody chooses to do this question. It's way too easy for you to include. So let's enter our answers. Oops. Let me get rid of this. I don't know why it's telling me that. Okay. So what planet do we live on? Add answers. Oh. Come on. Hold on. What's it doing here? Sorry. Went crazy there. Add new. Choice. Okay. Here we go. What planet do we live on? You guys have to remember, technology does not always work perfectly. So, do we live on Earth? And again, it starts giving me some options. So let's just click on a couple of these. All right, and then I need to go back and I need to make sure that I click the correct answer. And obviously the planet that we live on is Earth. All right? I'm going to do one more question. You guys need to do at least 10, but this should at least get you started. Finally, I'm going to choose, oops, not that, sorry. You can delete it by clicking that. Make sure it's worth a point and it's required. Then I add new, and I'm going to add a text question to show you how this would work. So I could type in, same question, what planet do we live on? I can't spell. Live on, question mark. I come here, and you can add the correct answer, which would be Earth. The problem with when you do these ones is you either have to read through to check the answers, which I would do obviously, or they have to spell it exactly right for it to automatically grade that. So, all right, so you've made your quiz. Yours is hopefully a bit harder. Yours needs to be at least 10 questions, and now you're ready to share it with me. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to share. Okay? And remember, you can also add in cool things like a theme with background pictures. You could go in and put pictures to go along with these. It's totally up to you how you want to jazz up your quiz. So I come to share, and only people in my organization can respond. That's what you want yours to say, because that way it collects information, and I have to be logged in so I know only somebody at school, safety-wise, is using it. So I come over here, and I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to come into the student portal, and I'm going to go to my class, and I'm just going to click on 4th period. You would obviously put it in whatever your actual class is. So I'm in 4th period, and I'm at my assignment, and this was the Planet's Choice Board. And when I come down here, as you can see, I've already put in some responses and things. I'm going to come to my Add Edit Response, and I'm going to put in link to Quiz Me box. And I can paste by doing left click and paste, or a shortcut is to hit Control V, and that will also put the link in. Okay? I could even click up here where it says Insert Link and put my link in and link to my quiz. All right, there's all different ways you guys can show how to get there. So I'm going to hit save, and then I'll hit submit once I've done all of my assignments that I'm doing for my particular choice board. Hopefully this helps you figure out how to make your form, how to make a quiz, how to submit it. So there shouldn't be anything you need to send by email or anything. You can put the links and all right here in your portal, okay? So if you have any questions, make sure you ask me. Hopefully this cleared up how to make a Microsoft quiz.